We need to speed up the sorting on belt 4.
Copy that. Adjusting the flow now.
The yield projection on line 3 is stabilizing.
Yes, the robotics calibration seems to have corrected the variance we saw earlier.
The feed rate seems consistent, but look at the sorting mechanism here.
Yes, I noticed a slight variance on the last batch. We should recalibrate sensor 7. The color uniformity is slightly off on batch 3. I see it. Adjusting the temperature now. The color on this batch looks perfect. Temperatures are stable. We are clear for packing. These are looking good. The temperature is steady. Yes, the airflow adjustment worked. I'll increase the conveyor speed slightly. The color on tray B is slightly off. We need to reduce the heat in zone 2. Adjusting now. The humidity levels look stable. These bananas are ripening faster than expected. Okay, increasing the oven temperature slightly. The weight consistency is slightly off on this batch. I see it. Let me adjust the feeder speed on the panel.
The temperature on zone 3 is slightly low. Adjusting the parameters now, check the moisture levels. The temperature on zone 3 is fluctuating slightly. Adjusting the flow rate now, check the moisture levels.
The temperature on zone 3 is spiking slightly. Are you seeing that on the panel?
Yes, I'm adjusting the heat now. We need to maintain that golden brown consistency.
The temperature on the west side seems high. Yes, I see that. Adjusting the airflow now.
The moisture content is stable now.
Good. The adjustment worked. We are clear for the next run. The color on batch 7 looks consistent.
Confirm. Temperature holding steady at 180. Output is steady at 95%. Check the moisture levels here.
Looks good. We are maintaining the target bake time. These last few trays are slightly underbaked according to the sensor data.
Okay, let's increase the oven temperature by 5 degrees.
The coating on this one seems a bit thin near the end. Okay, I will adjust the dipping time on the panel.